Hi there! Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore why Minecraft holds the title of the most played game of all time. With its distinctive blocky world and limitless possibilities, Minecraft has captured the hearts and minds of millions around the globe. Join us as we delve into the captivating reasons behind its enduring popularity. First and foremost, let's delve into the boundless realm of creativity that Minecraft offers. At its core, Minecraft is a digital canvas where players can unleash their creative genius without constraints. The ability to build, design, and shape your own worlds is the cornerstone of its appeal. From crafting towering fortresses and intricate redstone machinery to designing entire functioning cities, Minecraft empowers players to bring their wildest dreams to life, block by block. The depth of creativity in Minecraft goes beyond aesthetics. Players can engineer complex systems, like automated farms and transport networks, by leveraging the game's mechanics. This creative problem-solving aspect has spawned a thriving community of redstone engineers who develop ingenious contraptions. Moreover, the game's limitless world generation ensures that no two creations or landscapes are alike, inspiring players to push the boundaries of their imagination continually. Another pillar of Minecraft's appeal lies in the profound sense of endless exploration. Minecraft's procedurally generated worlds are vast and teeming with marvels to uncover. From the breathtaking landscapes of lush forests and towering mountains to the depths of eerie caves and the intrigue of mysterious dungeons, every corner of Minecraft's worlds is brimming with surprises. Exploration in Minecraft isn't merely about superficial beauty, it's about the thrill of discovery. Unearthing hidden treasures, stumbling upon underground strongholds, and navigating perilous nether fortresses offer a sense of adventure that keeps players hooked. The addition of biomes, like the vibrant coral reefs and towering snowy mountains, keeps the exploration fresh and exciting. Beyond the individual experience, Minecraft champions community and collaboration. Its multiplayer mode allows players to connect and collaborate with friends and strangers alike, fostering camaraderie and shared experiences. The game's open-ended nature enables players to work together seamlessly, whether they're embarking on epic quests, constructing sprawling cities, or simply having fun together. The sense of community extends to the dedicated Minecraft server scene, where players band together to create vast virtual worlds, custom game modes, and intricate role-playing scenarios. This thriving ecosystem demonstrates Minecraft's capacity to unite players worldwide, bridging geographical and cultural divides. It's a testament to the power of a shared creative space. Minecraft's appeal is further enriched by its extensive modding and customization capabilities. The game's modding community has produced a staggering array of modifications that can entirely transform the Minecraft experience. These mods range from adding new creatures, biomes, and dimension to introducing complex machinery, magic systems, and even entirely new game genres. The modding scene demonstrates the game's versatility and adaptability. Whether you're craving a more challenging survival experience, an overhaul of the game's visuals, or an entirely different adventure within the Minecraft universe, mods offer it all. This ecosystem fosters continuous innovation and keeps Minecraft fresh for both veterans and newcomers. Minecraft's accessibility is yet another pivotal factor behind its popularity. It's a game that welcomes players of all ages and skill levels. Its charming, blocky visual style is not only endearing, but also ensures that the game can run on a wide range of hardware. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newcomer, Minecraft provides a gameplay experience that's easy to pick up yet rich and challenging to master. Furthermore, Minecraft's accommodating gameplay makes it an excellent choice for family gaming sessions. Parents can enjoy quality time with their children, collaborating on creative projects, exploring the game's diverse biomes, and embarking on epic adventures together. The game's intuitiveness encourages players to share their experiences with friends and family, fostering a sense of unity and connection. Minecraft's educational potential is another facet of its widespread appeal. Its versatile world-building mechanics make it an ideal tool for educators to engage students in various subjects. From history and mathematics to coding and problem-solving, Minecraft offers a dynamic and immersive platform for learning. Educational institutions worldwide have embraced Minecraft as an educational tool. Teachers use it to create interactive lessons and immersive experiences that capture students' imaginations. Whether it's recreating historical landmarks, exploring ecosystems, or solving complex puzzles, Minecraft transforms learning into an adventure, making it a valuable addition to classrooms and educational initiatives. Minecraft's developer, Mojang Studios, deserves accolades for the game's ongoing success. They have consistently supported and expanded Minecraft with a steady stream of updates and expansions. These updates introduce new biomes, creatures, and gameplay mechanics, ensuring that Minecraft remains dynamic and engaging, even years after its initial release. Minecraft's live service model keeps the community invested and excited. Each new update, such as the upcoming Caves and Cliffs update, offers fresh content and challenges, sparking a wave of renewed interest from players and content creators alike. Mojang's responsiveness to player feedback is evident, as they address issues, add highly requested features, and maintain a strong connection with the community. Beyond its immediate success, Minecraft has profoundly influenced game design across the industry. It paved the way for a wave of sandbox and survival games that sought to capture the essence of player-driven creativity and exploration. Titles like Terraria, Starbound, and Subnautica, among others, have all drawn inspiration from Minecraft's formula. Minecraft's success has demonstrated that player-driven experiences, creativity, and community engagement are essential components of a successful game. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of games that empower players to shape their adventures, tell their stories, and collaborate with others in a shared digital space. Many game developers have recognized this influence, leading to a wave of innovative and player-centric titles that continue to evolve the gaming landscape. Minecraft's cultural impact reaches far beyond the realm of gaming. It has transcended into popular culture, leaving an indelible mark. Minecraft's iconic Creeper and Steve have become symbols of gaming culture, recognized by people of all ages, even those who may have never played the game. Minecraft's influence extends into merchandise, toys, clothing, and even books. The game's dedicated fan base has grown into a vibrant community of content creators, streamers, and YouTubers who have shared their Minecraft adventures with millions of viewers. Minecraft conventions and events have become epic gatherings, further solidifying its presence in the cultural zeitgeist. So, what does the future hold for Minecraft? The game continues to evolve, with exciting updates and features on the horizon. The highly anticipated Caves and Cliffs update promises to bring even more depth and variety to the game's world, with new biomes, creatures, and mechanics. Minecraft Dungeons is also expanding the franchise into new genres, ensuring that the future is brighter than ever for Minecraft fans. Moreover, Minecraft's commitment to sustainability and responsible gaming practices sets a positive example for the industry. Initiatives like Minecraft's Earth aim to combine augmented reality with the beloved Minecraft universe, offering a new level of interaction with the game's world while promoting outdoor exploration and community engagement. In conclusion, Minecraft's status as the most played game of all time is well-deserved and multifaceted. Its emphasis on creativity, exploration, community, customization, accessibility, and education has resonated with players of all backgrounds and ages. It's not just a game, it's a canvas for digital dreams. Whether you're building, exploring, learning, or simply having fun, Minecraft offers something for everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Talking about gaming, check this videos if you liked this one. Bye!